Nature is always beautiful, always gives us immense pleasure. That is wonderful. It's a wonderful journey to me. I love that nature is giving a lot to us and we people are just destroying it. Really, I feel shameful to we people that we are destroying a boon that is gifted by the God to us. Here I come and I enjoyed the beauty. I love this beauty, natural beauty. All over a lush green is spreading and giving a smooth pleasure to our heart. It's really beautiful. And I really urge people not to destroy our nature and love this, grow it, and bring peace, laughter, and health in our life in this new year with a new hopes and desires and really with a boostful heart. I appreciate that God has gifted us and we people must save our this lush green nature that is giving a wonderful, immense, a splendor pleasure to our heart. Thank you very much.